Kipling. Presented by Kokate Ma'am, myself. This poem is a very fantastic. Rudyard Kipling, he was an English journalist, short story writer, poet and novelist. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907 at the age of 42. He was the first writer writing in English to receive the prize. His gripping Jungle Book narrating in the stories of the wild boy Mowgli in the Indian jungles. This poem deals with advice given by father to son. If you can keep your head when all of about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies. Or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. If you can think clearly and remain calm when all people around you are blaming you, if you can trust yourself when all others doubt you, and you can judge their doubting not strictly. You must not get tired of waiting and false things when people hate you. Won't hate people. You don't appear to be perfect or show off your knowledge. This is the advice of a father to the son. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with Trump and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knives to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken and stoop and build them up with worn out tools. If you can dream, not be a slave to dreams. You must behave same with victory and difficult situation, and also behave same with the false people. You must courage to bear the false statement of people. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or weak walk with kings nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son, you will be a man, my son. If you can talk with the common people, you keep up your virtue. If you keep the company of kings at the same time, connect yourself easily with the common people. The enemies or friends cannot hurt you. All the people are equally important to you, and no one is more important than the others. You don't waste valuable time of your life. Then you will become the owner of the earth and also be a real man, treating all people equally without any discrimination is the highest quality, and that is the message of the poem from that Rudyard Kipling.